everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how I planted Lisianthus from seed to sprout. So the thing I use is the first one, peat pellet. Now this one I put a link in the description below on the way I got this. And then I also use toothpick to pick the seed because Lisianthus seed is very tiny. So the only easy way to handle it is by using a toothpick. Also, I have this box that I use as a germination box. This one you can buy cheaply from Dollar Tree. Any type of box will do, but this one is around 4 inches high. And then I'll use plastic wrap to wrap the box so that the humidity inside will be controlled during the germination process. So first thing first, put the peat pellet inside the water to make it fluff. So this is the seed that I got from Johnny Seed. Now the seed will come in like this because it's very tiny. So most of the time the Lisianthus seed is pelleted. So that's how tiny it looks like, if you can see. So make sure your hand is dry when you put your seed on your palm. Next, make sure that the toothpick is wet. You can just dip it in the water like this so that you can easily pick the seed like that. You see? So for each of these pellets, I put 2 seeds like that and kind of like press it a little bit lightly because it's very fragile. So these seeds have to be put on the surface because they need light to germinate. So if you are having winter blue by now, I suggest you can start planting Lisianthus seed because it takes around 12 to 13 weeks to start before the last frost dead. And for it to flower, it will take at least 5 to 6 months. It's a long wait, so better start now. Now if I want to do a close up, you can open the peat pellet like that, and then you can easily pick it up like that. And there you go, just put it on the surface like that and just press it gently. So here's how the setup looks like. The distance between the seed and the light is about 5 inches apart, and I'm using heat mat to provide consistent temperature during the germination process, and I wrap the box all the time until the seedling emerge. When all of the seed sprouted, I no longer cover the germination box with plastic wrap to provide a better air circulation for the seedling. I also start watering the seedling now lightly twice daily because this plant is a very sensitive plant. They don't like it to be very wet. They also don't like it to be very dry. So that's why it's a very good seed to start during the winter so that you have that extra time to baby them. So this is how the Lisianthus look like right now. To give you the idea of how tiny it is, that's the size of a tip of a pen. So this one germinate, there's one over here die, this one germinate, there's one over here die, These two germinate, and now we already have two true leaf. This one as well. That one germinate. This one die. Both of these germinate. That one germinate as well. That one germinate. This one just die. You can see here, is here. That two germinate. This one germinate, and one over here die. So most of the seed germinate. They are still under the light right now, and I will give you the update if there is anything major happening. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I see you next time.